buddy, Chef Andrea from Emperor's Palace. You guys are keeping safe in this lockdown time, getting done that needed to be done, spending some family time, and just relaxing a bit as well. Today what I've prepared for you is I prepared a vegetable and chicken bake. So it's a little bit different than your normal chicken and veggies that you would do. You saw how easy that was. Please do feel free if you have any questions, ask it. If you need any tips, thanks. Enjoy, keep safe.